So the difference between using 3-pound foam and 2-pound foam, this roof was done with 2-pound foam, and it's a cheaper material that doesn't have the same kind of resiliency as 3-pound foam that Goodrich Roofing uses. So the foam that's on there now was a test spot to see if the rest of the roof is dry, and that's the foam they laid down to fill back in where they did the test cut to see if the roof is dry. So this foam's hard. The foam that's down there now on the old roof is soft. So you've always got to use quality material, which is what Goodrich Roofing.
Okay.
So right now,
No.
the Goodrich Roofing workers are sanding out all the bumps on the foam, and then they'll sweep all the foam dust out of the way and bag that, and then once all the bumps are ground out, they'll go ahead and spray one more layer of foam, and it'll be nice and smooth, and they'll have this job wrapped up.
Yeah.
So they finished grinding the roof, all the bumps, and swept up all the dust from grinding it flat to where it's smooth, and now we're going to go in and spray it one more time. I think this is pass number 4, pass number 5. This is it. It's the last pass, and they've got their 2 inches of foam. The leak has been fixed. Looks fantastic. So this is it. He's literally taken a nasty leaf, peeled up the old